started the webinar with being a good listener. This is very important. In order to be a good listener, don't talk. Let the other person talk and you try to listen. If you keep on talking yourself, you are just speaking, you are not listening. Okay? And the second important thing is that when a person is talking and when you are listening, do not jump to conclusions. Listen to the entire conversation. Let it process in your mind and then come up with a result. Keep on asking questions and paraphrasing the talk so that you process the information in your mind. Okay? Use your brain power. Use your brain power. And keep on providing feedback that, okay, this is what you said, right? So in this way, what will happen is you will be able to make sure that you are getting what that person has communicated to you. When you want to improve your body language, please make sure that you keep distance. A very important thing. Don't go very close to the person you are talking. That might be a little offensive. So keep a proper distance from the person. Take care of your appearance. Appearance means the way you dress up, the way you have your hair. This is the physical appearance. Be clean and take care of that. Maintain eye contact and smile genuinely. When I say smile, only when it is needed. You cannot be going to a funeral and you cannot be keep on smiling or grinning. That's very offensive. So you have to smile because it gives a warmth, but you have to be very careful where to smile. Smiling is one of the assets which can be a great asset for your personality only if it is used properly.
Please like and subscribe.